Welcome back to the Pterodactyls of 5. This is my one and only train today. I missed 84, they were too late. I missed 568 because I got picked up for right here in St. Mary's right when they came. So the one and only train today for me is 87 here. So
787 doors yours, right side here at St. Mary's.
Oh, they have a stop tonight. Okay.
Side full stop at St. Mary's for 87, thank you. From 87 out.
I haven't been here in a couple weeks because I come here every couple weeks, and we actually do have a stop tonight. That is very interesting. I'm kind of surprised at that fact that they are stopping. I don't know why they are stopping for, but who knows? I figured they weren't going to stop, but I guess it is the case that they are doing so tonight. Oh, you're blurry! Sorry, guys. Let me fix that if I can. There we go. Here's Andrew's coach again. It's still on this consist. And then we'll make their stop.
Right hand side, 87.
Looks like there's probably like one or two people to get off here. And we got one off. One passenger, away they go.
Close and secured 87.
Close up 87, thanks.
Away they go now. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you next one.